I'm going to start my vlog here today. So today's the day I start my motorcycle trip. I just left Da Nang at around 6:45 a.m. It's now about 7:30. I'm just at the start of the pass. It's one of the most notable drives in all of Vietnam, going from Da Nang to Hue. And I'm really excited. There's already like tons of road cyclists out there, which are making me jealous. And it's just like, it's stunning. There's these huge, massive, typical Vietnamese mountains. And then this beautiful road that we're just riding along. I think it's only around 85K. We'll see. I might stay in Hue or I might continue on. That'll be decided what time I get there and whether I like Hue or not, and what the next destination is. But yeah, just gonna wing it and really enjoy the ride. All right, time to get back on that bike. Thank you. So I'm taking a bit of a rest stop. It's now nearly 11 a.m. so I've been on the road for a few hours now. I kind of went the wrong way and then had to double back, and then I ended up on these like backcountry roads, which is a bit more of what I wanted. It's been a really nice drive though. Pretty busy road. Some of the drivers are a bit crazy, but overall it's mostly empty and it's pretty nice driving. I just randomly found a beach, so I'm going to sit here and have a waffle, have a drink of water, and then get back on the road. Heading to, I think I'm probably nearly at Hue. Quick little mechanic stop. Nothing went wrong, it's just preventative, but I think it's a good idea. I'm also doing a much needed helmet swap from this to this. Somehow ended up with a bunch of helpers giving me bags and stuff. Alright, so last time I checked in I was at the mechanic. I since left. I decided straight from there to go and continue north. I'm not sure exactly where I am. I'm somewhere on the beach, somewhere between towns. Really enjoying it. It's a nice spot. There are a bunch of locals over there. I think it's like kind of a fishing area, which is cool. Things going really well. It's really nice to have absolutely no strings attached. Just traveling on my own mode of transport, staying wherever I want. Feels really good. I think I found somewhere to stay. But and we're good. Found a place to stay. I think this is the first place in Vietnam where I'm not able to use Booking.com, I'm not able to use Hostel World. There's no place on the internet that you can find. You just have to go up and ask places if you can stay there. These guys spoke no English whatsoever. What? Unreal. This swim was good, but it was really refreshing after such a long day in the sun on the bike. Now I'm gonna finish my book, finally, and just chill. It's the first time when I'm traveling where I've felt isolated, where technology isn't useful to me, so I'm just gonna enjoy it. Well, that was a lovely little night. Since this is a homestay, not a hotel, I had dinner with the host family. It was like a traditional Vietnamese meal. It kind of got rained out because there was a thunderstorm going on. It started pouring. And we were eating like under just like a rooftop. So we had to move the meal over, and then eventually we all went inside. But it was a really fun experience, completely unique. The first of its kind on my trip so far. And it was really nice. Now I'm just getting all my tech stuff in order and I'm gonna go to bed. What a great day.